Hello everybody, I am going to play for you my synthesized version of what I think sounds like Dickie Vaughn's Q-Bird, which he used to bug his fellow CB players, CB radio operators back in the early 60s or so, and it sounded about like this. Now his was built with capacitors and resistors and neon light bulbs, little NE2s, and it was like a dual relaxation oscillator to any of you people that know anything about electronics, trying to be like Sheldon Cooper on Big Bang Theory, give you too much information. But yeah, Dickie and I were an unusual couple of guys back then, and somehow or other I'm still unusual and still kicking. Bye.